You just don't get it, do you? Huh?
Explain it to me.
I don't know what to do anymore. Don't you get it? I'm lost. What do you want me to tell you? What? See?
Please, please.
Please what? Please what?
Please just sit down.
Sit down. I don't know what to do anymore. Nothing's making sense. Don't you understand? Nothing's making sense.
Please, please.
I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it now. Now. What up? I know what to do now. I know what to do now. It's good now. Now it's good. It's good now. It's good now. Hey.
My father left my life early, by way of a lunatic's coat.
Okay guys, I want you to copy these down. 5 plus 4, 6 plus 5, 7 plus 3.
The ensuing fodder that you force-fed me daily
They're all addition. 6 plus 5.
became the fertilizer for my budding obesity. Shielded by my gluttony, your barbs did not penetrate as deep, nor resonate so vast.
Today we are studying the United States of America. Everyone turn to page 20.
But you were not content, and spurred me on towards public conceit. How long could I survive my blubberous prison? Was the question the dietitian had. As he went to work on me, relentlessly strip mining my painfully acquired resources. Till I lay splayed and broken like a gutted fish. And so, denied my only morsel of happiness, I left you heartless people. For that peaceful place you never once afforded me. And I actually chanced a satisfied smile as you helped me don my father's coat.